Sandusky Community Library. My name is Miss Jill, and Miss Crystal is helping with the videotaping. And today you are going to see the Crafty Kids. Today we are going to make something called a worry doll, and this is what it looks like. And for this, there are only 3 things that you need to make this craft. You need to have some pipe cleaners, 1 long pipe cleaner, and then this one is just a half of a pipe cleaner. And you need to have a variety of colors of yarn. I happen to have a purple one here, along with some scissors. Now to make this, you will want to start with the longer pipe cleaner first. Go ahead and bend it in half, and this part right up here is going to be the head of your worry doll. Now with these worry dolls, I was reading about them, and they said what you should do is tell your worry doll the worry that you have. For example, maybe you are worried about your friends, okay? Because you know what, lots of our friends, we have not seen them for a while. So you tell your worry doll about that, about your friends that you haven't seen them. And then at night, you put the worry doll right by your head, right by your pillow, and hopefully you will have good dreams about your friends, not bad things, that the worries go away. Okay, now for this, here you can see the head, you can see the body, and down here are the legs. Now with your other pipe cleaner, this pipe cleaner, the half of one, is going to be for the arms. And go ahead and just wrap that around the body, kind of like halfway, like where your arms are on your regular body, just like this. Okay, there. Now you can see I have a head, a body, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Then you just take some of your yarn. I'm going to use the purple yarn. I'm going to cut some of that off. And you need about, oh, that's probably about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. And go ahead and start putting this around your worry doll. This is going to be like the worry doll's clothes. That's going to be the shirt and the pants, okay? And what I did for mine, let me show you. I went ahead and put it around one arm and around the body, and I am going to put a knot on this, just like this. Now your worry doll will be all set to go ahead and make the clothes, okay?
Hi, I'm Wendy. I am interning this summer at the library, and so I'm here to help out Miss Jill with Crafty Kids. And today I have my helpers, Graham and Henry, and they are my grandsons. So they are gonna help us make worry dolls today.
Now Graham, what colors do you like that you're gonna wrap around your worry doll? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. And what is your second color that you really like? Red. Very good. How about you, Henry? What colors do you like?
Pink and green.
Pink and green.
Yeah.
And you can wrap those around your worry dolls too.
And green blue.
And what?
And blue
And
too.
blue?
And green and blue. And
Green
red.
and blue. And red, yes.
Henry, you just like lots of colors, don't you?
I like all of them.
You like all of them, just like a rainbow of colors, don't you?
Yes.
Very good.
Me too.
Graham, can you show us how you have been wrapping your blue yarn around?
I want to take this red.
Very good.
Wrap it around its tummy. Can you do that?
Very
Some more around
good.
its tummy.
He will just keep wrapping
Yep. Henry,
his
you wanna help
around.
Mimi?
And Henry can wrap his green around his.
The
Yes.
red.
And some red. Now you're getting into the red, so you're kind of getting into the pants and things like that, aren't you? Henry, can you show us some of the worry dolls that have hair? Can you show us?
Can you pick those up and show?
And Graham,
Show
that
us, Jill.
has one of your favorite colors. That has the green and the red, doesn't it?
You see these?
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, Graham, you can see that Henry has them. Very good. Well, you know what? I want to thank you for helping to show
doing it.
everybody
You're doing a
how
good
to
job.
make our craft today.
Yeah, I'll help you.
And those of you who may not have pipe cleaners and yarn at home, you can go to the front desk and we will have a craft kit all ready for you. Okay, Graham and Henry, Wendy, thank you very much
You are
for helping us.
You gonna wave goodbye?
We'll see you later.
Bye. Can you
Bye-bye.
say bye, Henry? Bye, thank you.